Alright, so for these questions, we can see our limit approaches 2 from the right hand side. For this function involving a modulus function, when we're having a modulus function, first we need to define it in piecewise function. So this function will be positive as it more than 0, and it can be negative as it's less than 0. So we're going to simplify this interval. Move the 4 to the right hand side. When you divide by 2, you will change the symbol of inequalities. So you will have positive function for x less than equal to, and negative function for x more than 2. So if you hardly to understand this piecewise, we can draw it in interval, means less than 2, we're going to use this to represent your modulus. More than 2, we'll use negative function. Therefore, when limit for the x approaches 2 from the right hand side, so right hand side, your modulus function here should be using a negative function. So after we select the function, we try to substitute 2 inside the function. You can notice that we are getting IDF 0 over 0. Therefore, we have to simplify this IDF. We need to factorize it. So you can take out your negative when you want to factorize your quadratic. If you directly using your calculator, your quadratic will be factorized in error because calculator only simplify for the positive quadratic. So therefore we factorize negative, then only we do the factorization for this quadratic. Then you will have x. So to simplify this, we will factorize negative 2 also. So negative 2 factorized with negative, it becomes positive 2. So when you take out negative 2, you get here negative 2. Therefore, you can notice here we have a factor, your IDF factor that can be simplified. So after you simplify this IDF factor, you can evaluate your limit. Substitute the 2 inside here. So here we have negative 1 over 3.